In the last video, we showed the processing of the impeller. Today we will talk about two processing methods of the blades. This type of cutting tool, commonly used for processing impellers, is called a tapered ball end cutter. This tool has a very high cutting ability and shape passing ability due to its shape. Moreover, the rounded corners at the bottom also greatly reduce the wear of the tool. Now, we are showing the side milling of blades. Its advantages are extremely high efficiency and good roughness. But its disadvantage is that the processing accuracy cannot reach very high. Let's use software to look at the principle. We can see that the tool has only one movement trajectory for each blade, and the side of the tool will completely fit the shape of the blade during processing. Let's take a look at point milling. Its advantage is that it can ensure extremely high precision of the blades, but its disadvantage is that the efficiency is very slow and the roughness of the processed product is not particularly good. We continue to switch to the software, and this time the tool has a lot of motion trajectories, which can be said to be dozens or even hundreds of times that of side milling, depending on the roughness required. Now we look at the tool again. It has an angle with the blade, and the contact surface has only one point. Finally, let's take a look at the different effects of the two processing methods, and you can directly distinguish their differences. If we zoom in, we can see that there are strip-shaped cutting marks on the blade, which are point milling. As for the side milling, the surface is very smooth. If we zoom in, we can see that the surface of the blade is much finer and has a little mirror reflection. We have processed many impellers. For each impeller, customers will consider the processing method in terms of cost and precision. There is no good or bad in the two methods, only whether they are suitable. If you have different opinions or questions, you can contact us at any time.